Your front door does more than welcome guests, it sets the tone for your entire home. In Knoxville, where neighborhoods range from historic charm to modern builds, a new entry door can dramatically boost curb appeal while adding real value, comfort, and security. If your current door is outdated, worn, or no longer reflects your style, replacing it may be one of the most impactful home upgrades you can make. First impressions matter. The entry door is often the first thing people notice when they approach your home. Faded paint, dents, drafts, or outdated designs can instantly make a property feel neglected, even if the inside is beautifully maintained. A new entry door, on the other hand, creates a clean, polished look that elevates your home's exterior and makes it stand out for all the right reasons. In Knoxville's competitive housing market, curb appeal isn't just about pride of ownership, it can also influence resale value. A modern, attractive entry door signals care, quality, and attention to detail, which buyers notice immediately. Style options that match your home. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your entry door is the range of design choices available. Whether your home is a classic craftsman, a traditional Southern style, or a contemporary build, there's a door that complements it perfectly. Homeowners in Knoxville often choose from fiberglass doors that mimic the look of real wood without the maintenance, steel doors for a sleek appearance and enhanced security, decorative glass inserts that add elegance while allowing natural light, bold colors to make a statement, or neutral tones for timeless appeal. A new entry door allows you to express your personal style while enhancing the overall harmony of your home's exterior. Energy efficiency. You can feel Knoxville's seasonal temperature changes make energy efficiency especially important. Older doors often allow drafts, moisture, and heat transfer that increase energy bills and reduce indoor comfort. Modern entry doors are designed with insulated cores, tight seals, and advanced materials that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. By upgrading your entry door, you can reduce air leakage, improve indoor comfort, and potentially lower heating and cooling costs, all while improving curb appeal. Added security and peace of mind. Your front door is a critical line of defense for your home. New entry doors come equipped with reinforced frames, strong locking systems, and durable materials that provide greater protection against forced entry. This added security brings peace of mind for you and your family, without sacrificing style. Many homeowners are surprised by how much safer their home feels after replacing an older, weaker door with a modern, well-installed entry door. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best entry door won't perform properly without professional installation. Precise measurements, proper sealing, and correct alignment are essential for durability, energy efficiency, and smooth operation. Professional installers ensure your new door looks great, functions flawlessly, and stands up to Knoxville's weather conditions for years to come. A small change with a big impact. Few home improvements offer the same combination of beauty, functionality, and return on investment as a new entry door. It instantly refreshes your home's appearance, improves energy efficiency, increases security, and enhances everyday enjoyment. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost curb appeal in Knoxville, a new entry door is an upgrade that delivers lasting value every time you come home.